Authorization. Part number 6. Slide number 1. Let's discuss the steps required to enable authorization. It is important to note that we do not discuss server-side security. This is the usual role-based authorization. There are two types of objects that require some kind of client-side protection. Views that require permissions to navigate, add, update, and delete. Feature pages that require permissions to navigate. Slide number 2. So, the first task is to get a list of views and feature pages. To accomplish this task, the developer must run the feature scripts wizard for every context in the project. Select any existing feature page, it doesn't matter which one. On fourth page of the dialog select 30180 all model views.sql and generate a SQL script to populate the database table with data for all views for a given context. Go back to the fourth page and select 30185 all model views.ts. Generate TypeScript code to define view models variable of the application global settings service. On fourth page of the dialog select 30190 all dashboards.sql and generate a SQL script to populate the database table with data for all feature pages for a given context. Go back to the fourth page and select 30195 all dashboards.ts. Generate TypeScript code to define dashboards variable of the application global settings service. Execute SQL scripts and insert TypeScript code. Slide number 3. Run the application. Register new user to be used as an admin. On the admin users feature page, create a new role with the name ADM role or admin role or my admin role. On the admin users feature page, assign this role to the created user. On the admin roles feature page, enable permission for all view and feature pages for the created ADM role. In the application global settings service, remove first line of code in the methods. Get view model mask. Get -brd mask. Slide number 4. The doSubmit method of the application global login component must be changed. Application requires current user permissions vector. And the task is accomplished. The user with ADM role is able to add new roles, define permissions to the roles and assign the roles to users.